ACMEE 2025, the 16th edition, is going to be held from 19th to 23rd June 2025. As you're all aware, ACMEE is around the corner. So we already started our preparations and we are looking forward to welcome the exhibitors. We have totally around 500 plus exhibitors this time coming from 16 countries, and we have participation from different sectors of metal cutting and metal forming and metrology and about robotics and automation. So anything related to manufacturing. About the visitors, we got a very good response, and we already have more than 3,000 online visitor registration has been done. And this time we are looking for around 40 to 45,000 visitors coming from different parts of India and also from overseas. Apart from the regular visitors, we have this time trade delegations which is coming from the user sectors, especially from the automobile, aerospace, defense, railways. And also the public sector units, which is around Tamil Nadu, is also having their presence in this ACMEE, where they will be interacting with the exhibitors for their requirements in their manufacturing units. We have this ARTEC 2025 International Conference. It's going to be held on 20th and 21st during ACMEE 2025, mainly focusing on automation and robotics. So this is about the update on ACMEE 2025, and we are very eager and looking forward to welcome you all to the 16th edition of ACMEE 2025, and wish you all to have a successful visit to ACMEE and have a wonderful time here at ACMEE.